This keyboard will change the way everyone types. Introducing the Keystone keyboard, a smart AI-enabled keyboard designed with the future in mind. Under every key is a magnetic silo switch, a new mechanism that is both incredibly comfortable to touch and built to last. It features a new magnetic switch architecture, which will transform the entire gaming market and lead to powerful new workflows for digital creators. The Keystone uses a magnetic field for analog sensing. Every key evolves from a simple on-off switch into a force-sensitive gas pedal. This opens the door for intuitive key combinations, such as a half press, typing out a lowercase letter, or a full press for a capital one. With analog input applied to gaming, players will be able to send multiple instructions with a single key press. For musicians, visual artists, and video creators, the Keystone allows you to bring a finer touch to your work. Any task that involves adjustable timelines, brush sizes, or scaling is much more precise with analog sensing. We are taking advantage of analog input by developing AI-enabled adaptive typing. The Keystone can adjust key sensitivity based on the unique way you type. If you press harder with your index finger than your pinky, the Keystone will learn and adapt to improve your typing organically. No missed letters. We also made this a fantastic keyboard with a wide array of powerful features. The Keystone is fully programmable with customizable backlighting, has N-key rollover, Mac, PC, and Linux compatibility, hot swap switches, and Cherry MX cap support. With the Keystone, we reject planned obsolescence. It's built on a technology that is up to 20 times as durable as other keyboards, and if a part breaks, you can fix it. Launching alongside the Keystone is a new software platform we call HID.io. HID.io is a digital hub that allows people to use analog devices with applications like games, image editors, or other programs. Please, join our campaign. Help us improve the entire world by releasing a truly revolutionary analog keyboard that will learn and grow with you.